Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this cordless vacuum. This came really well packaged, and I've already got it put together so we can quickly kind of go over all the parts. You've got your main unit here. Your battery easily attaches right down here, and it just plugs in with your nice charging cord here. It's got about a 45-minute runtime on it on the low setting. It goes down to about 20, bringing up on how you end up running that on the speed. And then you have several different attachments. You have this that you can get down into crevices. This piece right here easily moves down to be able to kind of brush off doing some dusting, things like that. Or you've got your smaller tool that actually has a little lint area here so you can easily pick up stuff on this one. You have your mounting bracket and your hardware, and you have an extra filter and a little cleaning brush. Now this is really nice because it has this little hook right here that allows you to get any hair, and I've got a lot of hair, so we end up vacuuming a lot of hair up. So that is really nice. This does extend back, so if you needed it to be longer or shorter, you've got your button on the back here that allows this to come in and out. You can see all your different stages right here on the end. So you can have it short or really long. So let's go put this thing to the test and try it out. So now we're gonna put this to the test. Now this works on carpet or hardwood. On the back here, you've got your power button, and it has 3 separate settings on here. So whenever you kick it on, you have this nice LED display that shows your battery and your output, a light that goes right over the front. You can easily swivel this thing all the way around and bring it straight down. So if you did have a lower area that you needed to reach, just gets right in there and gets it. I mean, this is picking everything up really well. So now we are going to take it onto some carpet. So now I'm just going to add in this new end. Just snaps right into place. You've got your power button right here. You turn that on, and that turns on this nice LED screen here. You peel that back. You've got your battery. It'll tell you if your roller is clogged up, and then you've got your fan speed. So you have your low, your medium, and your high. I'm going to put it back down to low, and then we will just run it across the stairs. Now this moves really nice. I like how lightweight it is. It does have a 2200 milliamp hour battery. I mean, this is picking up stuff really good. It's kind of fun. You can see it all down here in this little clamp here. Just making short work of all of this. I love how easy and compact all this is, and with the light, it's a nice little vacuum to have. Whenever you're finished, charge it back up and use it again for next time.